In this episode, we're going to be transforming this backyard to this beautiful pool paradise. I'm going to be showing you guys a true behind the scenes of a pool company and what it takes to build a swimming pool project from start to finish. Not only that, I'm going to be showing you guys the details, prices, what it takes to build a pool project to this scale. Welcome to the Pool Build Show. This is episode 6. Let's get into it. Good morning, everyone. We are on the job site. Jared's getting the initial base prepped on, getting all that sod out and all that. All right, guys, we got everything cleaned up, got our dig. We're gonna go foot on each side of this pool. We're gonna leave kind of a ramp because we think we might have to bring the crane around. We're always thinking about like where we wanna make, the dig, if we have to dig up too much. We're hitting something, so we're good to go. Hopefully we don't hit like a big just random rock over here. All right, everyone, that wraps it up for the day. We are finished, headed out. It's drizzling out here, so I can't wait to get out of here. Got a little base rock in, and look at this garbage paint right there. That's what you get for buying discounted paint right there. Good?
I want to need some too, probably.
Alrighty, guys, we're done. 31 7/8, 7/8, 7/8 minus, 7/8, 31 and 7/8 plus. So we're looking good. That's pretty stinking good. All right, guys, we're gonna do these drains. Always walk in these shells on your socks or barefoot. Never walk with shoes. That is not super clean, because getting mud out of this that's been ingrained into the gel coat's not fun. You to pop it out with your glove. Made the mistake. Oh my goodness, dude. It shouldn't be that hard. I'm gonna be there all day with that stupid thing. Jeepers, pa. Alright, let's do this again, eh? Twister till it all comes out just like that. Come in here and check now. Oh, it's perfect. That's a good sign. And all the water goes all the way around. Middle's obviously bowed up, but this water pressure is slower than a 7-year itch, boys. All right, you guys, we're packed up, ready to go. That's it for day 2. Shells in, leveled, water drains. All right, guys, we're gonna be packing some steps here. 11. right, guys, we got the water in, gravel in, for the most part up, I think, what, 4 or 5 inches above the water line or more. I mean, this thing's just looking really good. All right, so yeah, that's done. That's it for the backfill, pretty much. It's a nice crispy morning. Batteries keep dying because it's cold. I just keep putting new ones in. It's a pain. I'm gonna measure for this retaining wall. Other side here. We got an ice skating rink. There's no doubt in my mind that I could walk on that. Oh. Strike that, I'm walking on it. Equipment's warming up when I come in my trailer. Got the heater down here, just kind of running. Keeping the trailer warm, all the paints, silicones, and all that, because they'll freeze. Glues and all. Nobody wants to be out here. I think we're gonna call that safe. All right, guys, we got our spa marked out. All right, we got the prep started. Went underneath this pipe, put all of our plumbing underneath of it. We got plenty of room here. It's not very deep. It doesn't look that deep, but it's pretty deep. I mean, it's only 36 inches, so you know what I mean. We're digging this one over here. We hit the pipe again over there, but we went over it. We're debating on whether we take it out or not, and you know, we're just gonna leave it, obviously. We figure by the time you splice it together and dig around it, it'd just be easier. And
You're just going straight in, wiggle it.
dude, just leave it.
That's why I just spent 10 minutes trying to pop it out.
No, it's not. Thing is basically, not basically, it's worthless. It's always good. No mistakes today. Normal deal, come out there. I just clean it up really nice. Oh, beautiful sun, man. I miss you, son. Miss the sunny days. Looking good. All we gotta do now is plumb it all up at it, and a lot more stuff. Easiest part's done. 147. Alright guys, we're gonna head out for the day. Not as much as I wanted to get done, but
Oh, stop. Ready for it? Later.
it's cold, boys. We're here at the job. We've got an ice rink here, officially an ice rink. Jesus is on his way. We're gonna get this thing plumbed, get a bunch of stuff done today, hopefully. Come on, James, walk in there.
It's not that big.
$50 to the person who can run across the pool long ways. Someone's gonna jump, fall in, and get hypothermia and die. We'll just walk it in. Ready? Okay, hold up. Or you can go right there, I don't care. Yeah. Get up and go this way. Now go. We are like on the money, bro. Oh yeah. Perfect. Oh, you're doing it backwards. You push up the pool when you lean up against that pipe. Yeah. Shut up, man. Alright, we're going home. Hold on. Did it wrong.
You're fired. Get out of here. You're fired.
Put them on backwards, but whatever.
Yeah, we did it wrong.
We? Who's we? There is no we.
See, folks, hold on. See right here?
Give it a
You
sawzall.
see when you're sticking the snake in there,
Give me the sawzall.
and you're snicking the snake in there, and you have that pipe like that.
This guy is not.
Are you actually gonna cut it off?
What are you looking at?
Cut it. Why you cut it?
Because it's not right. Give me a coupling.
Now it's gonna make it worse. He's actively trying to destroy our lives. What can I say? Should have just left it and just did it right from here on out.
No, because that one little corner will catch.
Maybe not.
It'll gum up the works. All right, look, so we got this 90 here. I've done this over the last few projects because it adds a lot more stability on our fittings there. If you just put a conduit, it's a lot weaker, but it's also easier to fish through. I made a mistake here, and the idea is so that when we fish from the panel, we come up. Now, if this was just like 1 or 2 90s, I wouldn't be worried about it as much, but there's gonna be a lot of turns on this one. And 4 to be exact, and that's our max. We gotta watch it, so you don't want anything catching when you're pushing this line up. So anyway, mistake fixed. Wasted a 90, but we're all good. All right, hopefully this battery doesn't die. All right, guys, a little job recap. They're really big. Yeah. Nada. Here. There we go. All right, guys, we got the inspection stickers over there. Went ahead and cut the wire. We're all good. Didn't need to run it inside of the auto cover, so we're done. Good morning. It's a nice crispy 25-degree morning. Got the heater rolling. Today we're doing retaining wall. Just knocked out some wall here. What a beast. Getting under there.
Yeah, that's my foot. I've seen him lift this claw. Inside. Oh, you didn't want to. Let me build this up first. Okay. It's just quiet.
Getting this all cleaned up. We got like, I want to make sure we had enough concrete underneath these tracks. All right, guys, we're out of here. John Port, daily log, day 7,852. It is snowing outside. We're setting retaining wall block. And the only reason we're doing it is because we need money. And we need it bad. All right, gang, we are done with retaining wall. We just threw this in. Alright guys, here we are on the last little bit of the spa. Got all the block on. Everything's been accounted for all of our veneers. We're going to be flush with the auto cover when we're done. But we're backfilling right now. We're just dumping rock inside, and then we're going to fill this all with concrete when we pour concrete. So while they're doing all that, I'm going to get in here and cut this in and get this waterfall set. So it's pretty simple. What I'm going to do is just go center to center. I'm going to cut all this out, show you guys what I'm done. And then for the last final part, when we pour the concrete, I'll show you guys how we pour a little bit. Yeah.
Emparejándolo.
What are you doing? It's good, it's clear. Miguel is the master at bull floating, okay? Don't anybody tell you different. He's the best. This guy is the best. And he knows what he's doing. Oh! We just like getting in the way with all of our film. All right, you guys, we're gonna break down the financials of this pool project. Let's get into it. So the pool unit, we call plumbing of the pool, the fiberglass shell, backfill, all that, $75,491. We got the salt cell, $2,280. Lights is about $2,880. Electrical package, $7,200. Concrete, $34,629. Automatic pool cover, $15,900. We got the heater, $5,000. The retaining wall, $6,400. turf was super expensive, $12,900. The spa unit, $32,520. That's the brick, spa, plumbing, that's the equipment and everything in that unit. The electrical for the spa and the gas itself, the service, $3,600. The salt cell, $1,740. The cover, we ordered a really nice aluminum cover from California, $3,600. The pool house, framing, roofing, all that, $13,248. I think the slab is in there, the soffit, the shingles, all that. And then we've got the siding, which we call the brick soffit up here, and beams, all that, $28,800. And then the electrical is $5,280. The brick was $8,000. Appliances, $2,700. The paint was $5,700. I think that's it. But then we've got all the service in there. We got a whole new panel we ran and all kinds of stuff. So total project is $275,178 and 110 cents. 10 cents. So that is this project. To give you guys an idea, I know there's going to be a bunch of people in the comments, I can't believe you paid that much for this pool and blah blah blah. Well, guess what? That's the price for 2025. It is what it is. And to get a job done like this, at this level, this fast, organized, and clean, you are going to pay a good quality price and you're going to get a great product. Now remember, when you guys are getting a pool project, a little tip here, I know this is a build show, but a little behind the scenes. Homeowners, make sure when you're comparing quotes, we run into this all the time, check the details of the materials. This is important. We've got a lot of people we're quoting here, and they go with other builders. They're working on ways to close those deals a little better, but they are not looking into the materials. People are giving them little receipt estimates. We're giving a detailed estimate, and they're like, oh, well, they're cheaper. We're going with them. It's like, that makes no sense. You got to do the due diligence and say, all right, what materials am I getting? How are you building this? What's the process like? And we will, for us, it's like, it's easy for us because that's what we're all about. So check into that before you have a pool built. That is the Build Show, episode 6. Thank you guys so much. Subscribe to the channel. We've got all kinds of videos coming down the pipeline. So if you guys liked it, subscribe to the channel, comment, and like, and I will see you guys on the next one.